How to zoom an image on tap or double tap in Flutter. Also, we will constrain the zoom to a limited container box. Let's get started with our build method where I have created here this image that you see here on the right side. And now simply wrap your image inside of an interactive viewer. And here inside we disable then the pen and scaling functionality. Next, we want to wrap then around our interactive viewer a gesture detector, and now we want to detect if we double tap here on this image. And then we want to scale our image by a scale factor of 300%. And to make this work, you can simply go to your interactive viewer, and here you can add this transformation controller that you also want to create here inside of your state. So here you create your controller and you also initialize it. And in case it is not used, then you can also dispose your controller. And finally, we go back to our on double tap callback, and here inside we put then the controller value to this new zoomed value that we have calculated here. And with this, if I double tap on the image, then the image is scaled up by 300%. And lastly, we need to move only the image correctly so that it shows the correct part on which we have tapped. To do this, we go to our gesture detector, and here if we tap down on our screen, then we get some details. So we get the details about the position where we have tapped on the screen, and we want to save these details then here simply inside of our state. And finally, we can make use of these details to extract here first of all the position on the screen where we have tapped. And with the help of this position, we can calculate here two variables, an X and Y. And these we can use then here inside of this matrix identity to translate our image to the right position after scaling. Let's also try it out. So I double tap here on this eye, and you see that our image is zoomed in around this ape's eye. Next, we want to double tap again on the image to zoom out. Therefore, we can check here if our image is right now not zoomed, and if it is not zoomed, then we want to show our zoomed image. Otherwise, we want to show the not zoomed image. And with this, if I double tap on the image, then we zoom out, and you can also zoom again in by double tapping. And finally, we want to add to our zoom an animation if we zoom in and also if we zoom out. Therefore, let's create within our state an animation controller and this animation object. And we also want to initialize this animation controller inside of our init state. And therefore, you also need to reference here within your state the single ticker provider state mixin. Next to initializing our animation controller, we also want to dispose it in case our animation controller is not needed anymore. And finally, we want to use the animation controller for doing the zoom animation. Therefore, we go to our gesture detector, and here we use then this value that we have calculated for our image zoom to do our animation. Therefore, we create our animation object, and here we end then exactly at this calculated value. And the animation starts at the current image zoom level. And finally, we want to put this animation value that we calculate inside of this interactive viewer controller. Therefore, we go here again to our init state method. And here on our animation controller, we want to add a listener where we put then the animation value inside of this interactive viewer controller. And next to updating our image zoom value, we also want to start the animation. Therefore, we go here back to our animation, and with the help of our animation controller, we simply start the animation. And with this, if I double tap on this image, you always see we have here this cool zoom in and zoom out animation. Importantly, the image zoom will not go on top of your app bar and also not on top of your bottom navigation bar. Simply watch the next video, Pinch to Zoom, where I show you exactly how to implement an image zoom that goes above any other widget in Flutter. And lastly, of course, you can also change the image scale factor. So here we set it to 500%. And with this, if I zoom here on the image, it is having a deeper zoom. Also, the zoom is working for other images, so you can simply put here another aspect ratio inside, and you see if I zoom here, it is also working fine. And the same also works for if you have a horizontal image, then we can also zoom in here to our image to see the details of this image. You also can zoom your image on a single tap. Simply remove here this name double every time inside of your gesture detector. And with this, you can do a single tap to also do this zoom animation. And finally, to zoom an image inside of this limited image width and height, you only need to remove here this clip behavior inside of your interactive viewer. And by the way, if you want to get here this whole source code, then you can get it with the first link in the description, and with the second link you can get access to my Flutter courses where I teach you how you can become a better and more efficient developer. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.